Hey, my name is Curran, and today you're going to learn how to track website visitors effectively in 2024. So, in this video, I'm going to show you three things. First, I'm going to show you how to see exactly what each visitor is doing. So, what pages they visited, how long they stayed, if they triggered a conversion, stuff like that. Second, I'm going to show you how to see the source of each visitor. So, whether they're coming from Google, whether they're coming from an ad or some other marketing channel that you set up. I'll show you how to see all of that. And third, I'm going to show you how to set up conversions. So how many people come to your website and sign up for your free thing or pay to become a customer. I'll show you how to set all that up super easily. A lot of tools like Google Analytics make this really actually pretty difficult to set up. So I'm going to show you how to do it in a super simple way. All right, so the tool we're going to be using today is called Visitor Tracking. I'll leave a link down in the description below. But to set it up, all you do is put a small snippet on your website. They have a guide on how to do it, but it's pretty straightforward. Essentially, there's these three tabs here. This dashboard, you're going to see all of your aggregate analytics, live visitors, and then you can like track your sessions this month versus last month and set a custom duration, all that good stuff. It's all cool, but I think the best part about this tool is actually this visitors tab. This is going to show you every single visitor that comes to your website and exactly what they're doing on your site when they come. So you can see exactly what pages they visit, what source they came from. So this person came from Google. This person also came from Google, YouTube. You can see pretty much everything here. And then you can also see the conversion. So if a person triggered a conversion that you set up in this tool, you'll see that in this visitor stream. So I can also go to the journey of this customer. So I can see each session that the person had with our website. And eventually I think they're going to be able to put the business name in the tool so you could see which business came to your website and stuff like that. So really cool features that are coming. And then also already it's an extremely helpful tool. Now, the reason I like this customer journey feature is because a lot of times people don't purchase or sign up for something the first time they come to your website. So if I see a conversion happen in the visitors tab, I can just click into that customer journey and then I can see how many sessions they actually had before they ended up signing up or purchasing or whatever. And I can also see the original source of that customer. So if they came to my website originally from Google and then 4 days later ended up purchasing or signing up or whatever, being able to see that in the customer journey is really helpful because it allows you to make better marketing decisions based on what you're actually investing in, because you can see which sources are actually bringing in customers. So that's the visitor tab. You could also search specific things. So if you have a page on your website that you want to know if people went to, you could just search the page there. You could search, based on conversion, based on what the source was. So if you want to see all the customers that came from Google, I could just type in Google. You can see every visitor that came from Google and basically what page they landed on. So that could be kind of helpful in finding, okay, which pages are taking off in terms of SEO and which pages are actually, getting us traffic from the search engines. Now, where this really comes together is putting conversions together on this tool. So I can see the exact conversion rate for every single event or page visit that I set up on my site. And it's way simpler to set up than a lot of other tools. So basically, like, you would just go in, you can pick a color for this conversion so you could see it in the visitors tab. And then you could just select page visited, type a page URL, and boom, you're already done. It really is like a 2 or 3 step process. So the reason you'd want to track a page visit is a lot of times if a customer comes to your website and they submit a form to get a quote or pay for a product or sign up for something, they'll get taken to a thank you page after they sign up for that. And you'll want to just take that thank you page URL and put it directly into visitor tracking. And then you'll be able to see what percentage of people that come to my website make it to that thank you page so that you can get an idea of what your conversion rate percentage is, and then do things on your website to improve that over time and try to get more visitors to turn into customers. And that's a really good use case of this tool and website tracking in general, is just to get more people who come to your website to become customers. You can also set up funnels if you have a more complex thing going on, and just basically you set all the pages that you have in your funnel there. And then you can also set up events. So if you want to track a specific button click or something like that, it's going to load your website and you can just simply click on the button that you want to track and it's going to automatically put that in there, and then you could save it. So really cool tool. I prefer to just do page visited for most of this stuff and see how many people actually do that. The cool thing too is it's going to give you automatic information about each different conversion, and then all along with trends comparing to the previous period. So like I see 14 people visited this checkout page in the last 24 hours, which is up 250% from the previous 24 hours. So it's just really nice to have all of these different metrics already embedded into the tool without having to create custom reports and stuff like that. Like a lot of the most important things about what you're looking for are already just done for you in this tool. Whereas like Google Analytics, you just have to create a custom report anytime you want to learn about something. So that part about this, I really, really like. And then also it's kind of the same thing. Like I'm tracking a bunch of different websites for me and clients and stuff. And it's the same thing. I can see all of the different metrics and the trends for each different website all in this one view. So it's really good for like tracking a whole portfolio of different websites as well. So essentially that's it. That's how you track your website visitors effectively in 2024. I think this is absolutely the best tool to do it. It just gives you the most information in the simplest way possible without being overloaded with tons of different features that you're never even going to use anyways. So thanks for watching. I'll leave a link down in the description to visitor tracking and you can try it for yourself. See ya.